Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do Millionaires. It's a candy that we have made in the family at Christmas time for a long time. We don't do this during the year very much, but I've always liked Millionaires, and I've got some grandchildren who like them too. So we're going to start out with a double boiler, and we're going to add 14 ounces of caramels. I bought these, used to, when I'd make this, we'd have to get these caramels as in a little package. You'd have to unwrap every one of them. That was awful. So now you can buy them in the bags like this. They come in 11 ounces, so we have to have 14 ounces. So I had to get a few out of another package. So we're going to put our caramel in. Some people say caramel. I don't know. I say caramel, so I don't know. Okay, the next thing we put in is our vanilla extract, and we have 3 tablespoons vanilla extract. Four tablespoons of milk we've got to add to this. We're going to let this stuff melt over a double boiler. Okay, our caramel mix is just about ready. I'm going to mix our 2 cups of pecans, been chopped up. I'm going to mix that in here with it. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to take it over where I've got some wax paper laid out, and we're going to drop it by some spoonfuls on this wax paper. Okay, now in another double boiler, we're fixing to do the chocolate you pour over the Millionaires. We're using 1/3 block of paraffin, and we're using 9 ounces of Hersey Candy. So one bar had 7 ounces, so we cut off another row of 1 to make it 9 ounces. And that's all you do. We've got to let that melt. And when it melts, then we'll pour it over the mixture that we put on the wax paper. Okay. Now our paraffin and our Hersey candy bar is melted. We're going to take it over here and put it over the other mixture to make our Millionaires. What we'll do, we put this over this and then let it sit till it's cool and turn it over and put it on the other side. Now that our Millionaires are finished, we ended up having about 60 Millionaires, and this is just a sample of them. And I hope you try these. I'm sure you have, because it's an old recipe, and our family really likes them. So I hope to see you on another video, and thank you for watching.